it once again.
What's up guys, my name is Jamie G, and if you are new to my channel, I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and all things digital. So if that's of interest to yourself, please consider subscribing via the link below. Today what I wanted to discuss, however, is my favorite Facebook ad strategy. Okay, so this is something that I use with pretty much all my clients. The simple reason being I can get really cheap results, first of all. Secondly, it means you don't need to spend hours going through targeting and audience insights and all that sort of stuff. It's basically something that is referred to in the industry as the carpet bomb method. Now, I didn't invent it. I'm not the owner of it. In fact, I don't know who did, to be honest. But it's something that I picked up on, and it's something, like I say, it's almost my go-to move these days, depending on the client's ad budget, all that sort of stuff. So basically what we're looking at doing is displaying a video to a very broad audience and looking to retarget the viewers. Okay, so that's it in a nutshell. Just to give a little bit more detail, and I will actually go through a full demonstration of how to do this in another video at another time. But for now, basically what you're looking at doing is having a video from your company or the business that you're looking to promote. And it doesn't have to be anything super flash, even if it's just like I'm doing now, just talking in front of the camera. But it does need to be punchy enough to capture their attention within the first 3 seconds or so. Because you want to be able to capture people while they're scrolling through their normal cat videos, all that sort of stuff, enough for them to engage with the video. And when I say engage, it's either a like or they just watch it enough for you to be able to use that as a someone that you can retarget later on. Retargeting, if you're not familiar with that, it's basically using the data that you already have, so whether that's website visitors or likes to a page, or in this case it's video views, and then using the people that have already viewed that video to create a new audience for you to then target later on. So that's basically it in a nutshell. What you want to do, however, is put very minimal very minimal writing, ad copy, all that sort of stuff. I don't even put a call to action. Often I won't even bother with a website or anything, because I'm just trying to throw it out there, get someone's attention. That's basically it to start with, and you want to apply it with a pretty high budget. So if you can afford it, maybe 50 to 100 bucks a day. Ideally, the higher the better. Reason being is because you're not going to do this forever. It's basically you just want to smash out as much data as you can in the first couple of days, just to build that audience up. And once you've got roughly about 1,000 views at, say, 50 to 75%, you probably want to split those up and go one for 75, one for 50%. But ideally, the more that someone's watched the video, the more engaged they are, and that's your audience right there. So I normally start off with 75%, and like I say, once you hit roughly about 1,000 views of that, if not more, but 1,000 would be the probably bare minimum you want to work it with, then you can potentially look at reducing the amount of budget for the video views down considerably, and use that budget to chuck into your retargeting ads, because by that stage hopefully you've got an audience that's big enough. Now the other thing you want to do is create an exclusion. What I mean by that is, after you get those 1,000 views, in fact you can actually create it before you get 1,000 views, because it's dynamic, it's going to keep building, which is awesome. But then you want to go back into your targeting, and there's actually an option to exclude a custom audience, and then you want to exclude the video viewers. And what that does is it's going to show the ad, or it's going to try to show the ad to fresh eyes all the time. So it means that you're always building that audience up, and always going to be shown to new people, and hopefully in doing so you're going to build up a nice audience for you to then retarget. Little caveat with that as well. The funny thing is, like I say, I do this is my go-to move, and basically once you've got that data there, the video views, all that sort of stuff, and when you go to retarget by creating a custom audience to retarget, I found that it works a lot better just to have a really basic single image ad. And this goes beyond the normal carousel ads, or even a canvas ad as well. I found just a simple image ad, just, hey, you don't even have to reference the video, but they've already seen your brand. Hopefully they might have even seen it a couple of times, and then all of a sudden they've got an ad with basically saying, look, 10% off, or grab this voucher now, or whatever the case may be. Depends what the business is and what you're looking to promote. So that's it. It's basically big budget on a video, get that data, retarget with an image ad, and a call to action on that as well. And that's basically the strategy. It's really simple. Now to set that up, like I say, we'll go into it in further detail in another video. and actually show you the steps you need to take to set that up. But hopefully that makes sense. That's it. That's my favorite ad strategy that I'm using at the moment. There's a whole bunch of them out there in terms of targeting and all that sort of stuff, but that hopefully gives you a bit of an insight as to one of the more effective ways that you can bring the cost per click down, and also the leads, the cost per lead down, all that sort of stuff as well. But anyway, that's it. I just wanted to put that out there. I'm going to be putting out a whole bunch more of these videos in the coming months. Hopefully this has been of help to you, and if not, and if you do want to learn about anything, hit the like or dislike button below. Let me know. Let me know what your thoughts are. Chuck a comment in if you like this, if there is anything you want me to discuss moving forward. And that's it. I'm going to go back to creating some more ads, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.